Yo, what is up? So, this is the third video. It was going to be the fourth video, I guess, but now it's the third, so it is what it is. So, this time I had a pretty huge breakthrough, and that is that I figured out how to add DLC to Guitar Hero 3, and instead of replacing songs, you can now add songs to the downloads folder. And hooray! So you can keep all your songs stock and add new ones. So how to do that is pretty simple. You need the um, the Metallica DLC. I don't know what it's called, but the Metallica DLC for Guitar Hero 3. I think was the last one created. So that's at least I don't know. I think so at least. I couldn't find another song that had more data in it for other songs than this one, so I think it's the last one. But yeah, so what you need is that file. So you need to download that from wherever you can find it, and then you are going to need Guitar Hero 3 on your PC with GHTCP, and then you will basically I'll show you how to do the process. It's pretty simple. So let's say I want to add a song. What I do is I start GHTCP. So I will do it right here because I actually want to add a song. So I will just do the entire process. You click Add, New Song. You find a song. So I will basically find a Guitar Hero 3, preferably a Dragon Force song. I wonder if there is Valley of the Damned. I would love to have me some Valley of the Damned. It doesn't look like it. Valley. Yeah, there it is. That's weird. It didn't show up. Okay, so guitar, Valley of the Damned. Notes.chart for Valley of the Damned. And then you will call it Valley of the Damned. Valley of the Damned. And hit apply. Hit apply. And then we will scroll down to Valley of the Damned. Oh, we need to choose download. And then we will click on this, apply tier changes, and then we will hit execute actions. Boom, we are done. Well, we're just done with the PC PC version though. But now we will close this, and from here we will open up this file in a tool called Velocity that I will provide in the description. So you will open Velocity up, and you will click File, Open, Package, and then you will find your file here, your Death Magnetic or whatever it's called, DLC file. Open it, and yes, Death Magnetic. So I've already added a few custom songs, Blackfire, Fourth Dimension, blah blah blah. What you will do first though is you will find the file called dl30_text.pack, and then you will click extract selected, and then you will extract it to a location. I have it already in a location, and I have it here, right there. So what you will do now is you will open up Queen Bee. So just remember where this is, keep the folder open or anything at all. So now what you want to do is you want to set it to PC, and then on pack file you want to open that and go to your PC Guitar Hero 3 folder. So Aspire, Guitar Hero 3 data, and then you want to go to pack, scroll down to qb.pack.zen, and that will auto load the PAB and the DBG. So hit load. And when you're in here, scroll all the way down, well not all the way, but pretty far, until you find songlist.qb. double click it, and in here you will find your song, but it will be where the name is basically. So right here, name, Valley of the Damned, and what you want to do now is you want to copy this entire struct here, this item struct, all the way from here to there, and all you have to do is right click it, hit copy, and that's it. Then you go here to pack again, and you're gonna want to keep it on PC, but this time you want to go to this file right there. So you want to find that. So I'll click D, custom DLC, and go to, there it is, so extract. So you will find the file that you extracted from the DLC, and you will open it, hit load, and you will click on this file that is 27 to 28,000 in length. There will only be one that is that large. You will double click on it, and you will get this. So what we want to do now is where we see this struct, the section struct, not the first one up here, but the second section struct where it says download song list props. You want to right click on it, and you want to paste add child, and then all the way down here it will add Valley of the Damned, and then you have to click away. You can't have this marked for some reason. You have to click on anything else like a rhythm track and hit update, and then save to disk, because if you have it marked, sometimes this disappears. I don't know why, it's a bug, but yeah. And then when this is done, what you want to do is, now the song is in the game basically. Well, it's the text for it and where to find it, and the checksum is in the game. What you want to do now is you want to add it to the songs and the download song list. So how you do that is you export the current song list, call it one, just, and save basically, so you have it. And then you do the same with this download song list. You hit export and you call it 2. Save. I already have them though, as you can see. When you've saved them, you will have them right here. What you will do now is you will go all the way down here again, and you will get the struct item. Well, I guess the checksum is going to be the same. So copy the QB key. Hit C, Control C, copy it. Open up array 1. Scroll all the way down and add it to the very bottom. Hit save. Open array 2. Scroll all the way down. Add it to the very bottom. File and save. Okay, now we want to go back in here. Scroll all the way up. And now we want to hit import. And import number 1 on position number 1 up here. And import number 2 on the second one here. Hit update, save to disk. To make sure that this all loads correctly, we are going to add a struct item integer, and basically what we are going to do is on section struct right here, you want to hit I think, if I'm not mistaken, no, sorry, on the tier struct right here, you will, am I mistaken? I don't think so. No, you will basically click add child, and then you will click, let's see what it is. It's a struct item integer. So you want to click here, and you want to add child, and struct item integer, which will create one of these. And then you want to make this, because you're not going to have that. You're not going to have the default unlocked songs. You're only going to have this, which is not basically used. But you need to have this used because to override the original unlocked amount of songs. So what you type here is this, default unlocked, like that. Default unlocked, and then number 100. Add that to this, and then you will have this one right here. And if you get more than 100 songs, you're basically just gonna make it 120 or whatever. You can start off by making it like 200. That way, you know you won't run out in the in like the first day or so. So yeah, but yeah, I don't need that though because I already made this. And yeah, just hit update, save to disk, and now this file is done. I think. Let's see. It's a GH3 file, rhythm track, blah blah blah. Yeah, it's done. Now you can close this down, and this one right here is absolutely done. So what we need to do now is open up Velocity again. Click on this DL30 underscore text.pack.sen. Right click and then replace file, and then go to your folder wherever you saved the file and double click it, and it will overwrite the current one. So now the game will basically, or this DLC will load in the song you just added. And what you need to do now is you need to add the actual song file and the chart. So you will click inject here, and then you will go to your, this is the cool thing, you can just go to your Aspire Guitar Hero 3 folder, data, and then you go to music, and then you find Valley of the Damned right here. First you add the DAT file, now you inject again, go all the way down, and then you inject the fsb.sen file, and then lastly we need to go back from data and you go to songs, and you scroll all the way down until you get here again, and now you will load the inject the Valley of the Damned to song.pack.sen. So this is the chart file. So now we have the song and we have the chart, and now we're basically done. We just need to click on rehash right here, let it rehash, and then we have our custom DLC. And if you have a JTAG or an RGH, your game will load this perfectly fine, and you will see an extra song in on the bottom of your downloads. And that's how simple this is. Yeah. So you can basically make a huge set list out of this, and share it with anyone you want, and have it as like the set list. If you want to play online, you can. I guess if you use a stealth service for your RGH. So yeah, pretty dope. So now that it's rehashed, the your custom will be in this file right here where you saved it, or where the file was basically. Yeah, that's how easy this is. There aren't really any limitations to this, or limits. I don't know. It's you get everything from the chart. Literally, it's the same as if you haven't had Guitar Hero on PC. You get everything in the chart, and you get the audio, the full audio for all the for if you want to play co-op or if you want to play pro face-off. Everything works. And I know you can play. I know you can play these online. Absolutely, you can at least play. The thing is, with a Guitar Hero, if both people have the same exact setup, or the exact same songs or the same game files, you will be able to play online. But on an RGH or a JTAG, you can still play online. You just need a stealth service, so you won't get banned. You still sort of get banned, but it takes a pretty long time. You can stay like a year, up to a year sometimes, without getting banned. And if you get banned, it's no big deal. You just get a new key vault. You can buy cheap key vaults, and then you're good to go. So, I mean, it's pretty sweet though. So yeah, I hope more people get into the Reset Glitch Hack JTAG community and play Guitar Hero with me and Skylar, and yeah, it's basically us right now, I guess. So Thank you for watching. It means a lot, anyone who's watching. I appreciate it. Um, I'm doing my best here, really, just to sort of get the information out there. I've been wanting to get this working now for for a really long time. For I don't know, 11 years, I guess. I've been wanting to get Xbox customs, and I haven't figured it out. And I remember seeing the tutorial by the Mahopian guy. I don't know, the Mahopian goon. And I could never get it to work back in the day. Just tried and tried, and it never worked. And then I figured it out now, and because now I have more, now that I have programming and a little bit of more computer knowledge after years of modding games, I thought I might be able to do it, and yeah, I did. So this is pretty cool. Yeah, but that's enough rambling. Thank you for watching. Peace out. If there's anything else you want, just type it out in the comments. Yeah, peace.